Hey everybody, it's Scott Smith from Southern California. Just got in our first M Sport XDRIVE35i model with the twin turbo 6-cylinder, 300 horsepower, 300 foot-pounds of torque, and you get all 300 foot-pounds of torque on this one at 1200 RPMs. So definitely a lot of fun. These come standard with the BMW Xdrive all-wheel drive system. Which is phenomenal, because one great characteristic of this is that you can get a full 100% of the power, available power, to the front or rear axles, which not all of our competitors can actually achieve. One thing too, also this car's got 8 inches of clearance, which is nice, so just in case, depending on the model and the packaging you have, you know, with winter tires, this car is very capable. You know, for mountain ski resorts, things like that. If you're looking to have a dual climate area, you know, here in Southern California, you know, once in a while, wintertime will get down under, you know, 32 degrees once in a while. So, but we do have some, you know, ski hills around here in resorts, so it's a great dual vehicle, you know, fun to have on road. And then, you know, if you do go to Northern California or some of the ski resorts, it's still going to be very capable. This one's got the M Sport package on it with the upgraded 20-inch wheels. So the one thing, these tires are not designed for, you know, ice and snow. So just something to keep mind of if you're looking to get this mean look, but you are going to use it maybe off-roads, you know, for different trails, cabins, or for the snow. This one here is in our Glacier silver metallic, and I've got the black interior. This one's pretty much loaded. I'll get to the sticker in a minute. But one thing everybody's really liked here at the dealership is the new design M Sport package, kind of characteristic a little bit to our X3, which has really been selling well with the new front end bumper and the designs. Thought I'd do a lighter color this time, kind of shows off the shadows and the lines. You can see that M sticker on this wheel, so the Motorsport division did design this wheel for the M Sport. Nice touch. Got the blinkers now up on the side mirrors. You know, pretty much all the new cars are coming with that. And you got the shadow line exterior, what I call the black chrome around the windows. Now, the one thing that the X4 has come from is, you know, the bigger brother is the X6. And in that car, or the philosophy of these cars, they kind of want to make their own class of vehicle. So basically, from the door handles up, you've got a coupe type of design, and the door handles down is an SUV. Long sloping rear window. When the X6, its older brother, first came out, it was 2+2 seating, kind of like coupes. So, very unique car, and now this is the next model in the X lineup, the X4. BMW's got it rated at 5.2, 0 to 60. I haven't checked anything out in the magazines yet to see how much quicker they've gotten it. Here's the sticker for you. This one's got the M Sport, driver's assistance, premium package, technology package. There's actually a lot of the standard equipment you guys can definitely check out on the website that comes with these vehicles now, being a 4, indicator of a 4, and then the X's do come with a pretty good amount of options. And you can see this one's at 60,275. Here's your mileage, even with the all-wheel drive system, 1927. And here's a little information, where it's built, percentages. Good old final assembly in South Carolina. One thing I wanted to show you inside. Now here's some more characteristics, you know, of the M Sport package. Got the badging, got a great dead pedal in there, nice design, good grip. Also, you can see BMW has put the unlock and lock on the new SUVs that are coming out this year, or SAVs for us, sport activity vehicle. So instead of having it in the center, kind of where the hazard button is right there, we used to have the unlock button, so it's a lot easier to get to it. Nice upgrade for the front 2 doors. Also, you can do the rear hatch now from the front, closing and opening, which is really nice for us here. And then, you know, you can fold in the mirrors. because you got tight parking space. You've got a lot of contrast stitching now that we have coming out on a lot of the vehicles, so it's a really nice touch. A little bit more attitude. And then this one has the sport seat, so you've got the width adjustment on the sides. You've got the leg extension up front. And then there's a little bit of a tilting feature, so you can tilt it back like a lazy boy, or you can straighten it back out. So depending on how much support you want on the hamstrings. You scoop my seat back. One thing I really noticed on this car too, is hopefully you guys can see it, but the resolution on the Google imaging on the iDrive nav system has even gotten more detail, so it's just awesome. And that's at 1 mile and up. And then you can see the traffic flow there also too. One thing I wanted to show you, hopefully if it works out, if you look through the rear view mirror, get my hand out of the way, you kind of see the vision out of the rear window. So it is going to be a little tighter in this car, the rear vision, but what's nice is you do have the rear sensors as standard. They've made some decent size rear side mirrors, excuse me. So it's not too bad. You got some pretty good visibility. Just something that's with the X4s and X6s, that rear window is going to be a little smaller angle wise. Just something to note. This one's also got the Harman Kardon sound system. This one's pretty much a loaded vehicle, so they do tag the speakers for you. Let's get to the steering wheel. It's nice Napa, excuse me, leather wrapped steering wheel. It's real thick, good, grippy. You got the good old paddle shifter so you can have fun. M Sport badge on the steering wheel. Great gauges, easy to read. And then if you guys can see the 0 floating out in front of me, oh, there it is flashing. Yeah, it's got the heads-up display for the technology package. And I'm about 5'6", or excuse me, 5'8", so I wanted to show you. I'm sitting comfortably with the wheel and the pedals right now. Actually, I could move up just a little bit here. Just wanted to show you the legroom in the back also. And you get the black headliner with the M Sport package. Got the moonroof. That'll be standard. Yeah, let's jump to the back seat. Yeah, check it out. I'll just show you from the entryway. So you've got a good wide opening, which is one thing nice with this size vehicle being a smaller X4 over the X6. Really nice opening. One thing to just watch for is getting in. This lower, more aggressive roof line, you just got to watch bumping your head, but plenty of room getting your legs in. So I'll jump in the back here. You know, I probably got, what, 3 or 4 inches maybe here. So yeah, for 4 adults, it's great. Good headroom, the way they've designed it. It's got a little bit more of a hump that comes up here for headroom, so they've done a really nice job still keeping a moonroof. You got the rear air conditioning vents. Slightly adjust the temperature there. Also got a charging port. Nice armrest, cup holders. So you do have seat belts for a total of 5, but for 4 adults, there's plenty of room. Let me get to the back of the car. Power tailgate hatch is going to be standard. You can adjust the height of this. There's 3 levels, so just in case this is going too high for the garage, it's actually got 4 levels that you can actually lower it down to, depending on how tall you are, or if it might hit the garage door in your garage. So these will come standard with the rails, which is nice. You get 4 of these tie downs. You can just adjust them here. They lock in, or just slide them completely off. And then they store underneath the floor, which I'll show you here in just a minute. Floor mats are obviously standard now in the US. Then you've got storage underneath here, a little extra storage box there, and that's where your tie downs go. It comes with a cargo net, so you can use with those tie downs in case you got cases of wine, different valuable stuff you don't want sliding around. And you can see the seat is 40-20-40, so you can lay down that middle, stack things up, and still have 4 passengers if you need to. You got a charging port back here, also places to hang some bags, groceries on both sides. just in case you got like a gallon of milk and you don't want it flying around. Places to tuck in paperwork, your books back here if you want. So, also this pulls completely out. Also this bad boy right here, this piece pops right out. So that way you could lay the seats down and you'd have tons of storage. Throw in bikes, ski stuff, cargo, whatever you can think of. This button here, so if you push that, it'll lock and close. You can walk away. That's a nice feature if the last thing you're doing is at the back of the car. Let's give you another shot. Actually, let me give you a quick shot underneath the hood. Let's do that. Let's get this baby open. There we go. So there is your 6-cylinder, 3-liter, twin-power turbo, 300 horsepower, 300 foot-pounds of torque. I know if BMW's got this rated at about 5.20 to 60, and I think it's 5.5, 0 to 100 kilometers. I know the magazines probably already have it rated, or you can look it up, and they're probably, I would imagine, under 5 seconds. So this is the bigger of the two engines right now. This is the 35i model. Hey, if you guys like this video, please share it with your other media sources. Give me a thumbs up. Greatly appreciated. Give you another shot here from the outside. Brand new X4 35i with the M Sport package with the 20-inch wheels. Thanks for watching.